SB19 Ken's parents attend an 18 outreach program. Yes, you heard it right. Ken's parents attended an outreach program headed by Mahalima Premium, an 18 fan group in Zamboanga. This is in partnership with Malindang Broadcasting Network, 1st Cavalry Tagapanguna, 53rd Infantry Matapat Battalion of Philippine Army, DXPR radio station at marami pang iba. Madalang lang natin nakikita ang mga magulang ni Ken lalo na sa mga SB19 events dahil una, nakatira sila sa probinsya at pangalawa, mas gusto nila ang pribadong buhay. Pero dito sa outreach program ay agad na nagpaunlak ang mga ito. Kudos to our fellow 18 in Zamboanga.